It's break time cards. Time for a break. Today we're going back a few years to the 2021-22 season of Topps UEFA Champions League trading cards. So we have Ronaldo, Holland, Pulisic here from his Chelsea days. 6 cards per pack, 42 cards per box. So that comes out to 7 packs per box. You can also get the pink Future Stars parallels. Now, what's funny about this, you don't see this anymore on any Topps product. It actually lists the odds here, and you can get autographs here. Ultimate Stage autograph, 1 out of every 837. So it's possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packs right here. We do have 7 of them. I wanted to get some soccer content on the channel while we ramp up towards the end of the club seasons and the Champions League. So let's go ahead. We have Kai Havertz here from Chelsea. Rafael Guerrero. There's Blanco from Real Madrid. Renato Sanchez. There's Chiellini from Juventus. Look at that. That is cool. That's one of the 4, what do they call them? The sparkle foils. That's right. And then we have the American, Weston McKennie. Road to St. Petersburg. So that is nice. I didn't see, Chiellini is not numbered. All right, pack number 2. Speaking of North American players, here's Alphonso Davies, Bayern Munich. Mohamed, I don't know how to say his last name, from Ajax, his rookie card. Felix from Atletico de Madrid. Pogba from his Man U days. He just came off of the suspension for doping, I think. So he is eligible to play again if any team wants to take the chance. There's a Francisco rookie card from FC Porto. And it looks like we have a throwback here. How cool is this? I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. This is amazing. Manchester United rookie card, Hannibal Mabry. Oh, what design is this based off of? I wish I knew. Man, I wonder if I can just look it up on the thing here real quick. Let's see. I'm sorry, just bear with me. Oh, I wish I could find the year on here real quick. It doesn't tell me. It's not numbered. So, I don't know. If you know what it is, by all means, leave me a note in the comments. But that is a cool card. That is awesome. All right. That's going to be pretty hard to top. I can only imagine how sweet that would look with an autograph on it. That would just be amazing. All right, moving on here. There is Holland from his Dortmund days. The Citizens of England scoring for club and country. Looks like Raheem Sterling. Maybe he'll tell us on the back. Man City FC. So this is a checklist card. All right. There's Weston McKennie again. Thorgan Hazard. Wow, that's another one of those sparkle foil. Those are really sweet looking. And a Curtis Jones Future Star for Liverpool. I know I'm going through these kind of slow, but man, these are These are really nice cards. All right, Satriano from Inter Milan, rookie card. Ansu Fati. Curtis Jones on the All-Star Rookie Cup. Felix for Wolfsburg, rookie card. There's Mbappe from PSG. And there's Future Stars for Jamal Musiala, Bayern Munich. Rookie card, Yusuf Demir, Barcelona. There's Neymar, PSG. Sparkle foil, Ben Chilwell, Chelsea. And then we have a refractor rookie card, Person from Club Bruges. On the back, you see it's numbered to 199. I like the placement of that numbering. Very, very, very nice there. Perfect spot, I would say. Okay, 2 packs to go. We have the 2020-2021 title winners, Chelsea FC. Looks like Havertz there. Phil Foden. That's who was on the other card. There's a Vini Jr. Alisson for Liverpool on the sparkle foil, and Angel Di Maria. Road to St. Petersburg. All right, last pack right here on It's Break Time Cards. Thanks for every like, every follow, every subscribe. I do have another box of these, so if you like this set, this version, by all means, subscribe to the channel. There's another video coming. Rookie card from Bayern Munich, Omar Richards. Sergio Aguero for Barcelona. Look at that. I will say this, maybe popular opinion, I don't know, but one of the best, most amazing things I've ever seen is his goal to win the league for Manchester City. I probably play that highlight at least once a year. Just like, man, just amazing. Anthony Elanga, rookie card from Man U. And the last card here is another one of the retro design for Gio Reyna from Dortmund. Those are just sweet cards. I love that. Definitely keeping that one. So there you go. We got a couple of retro throwbacks. I'll try and find out what the designation on these cards are for the next video. So tune in if you're curious about what that parallel is, and I will be sure to find out and tell you. For now, it's Break Time Cards. Break time is over.